What is the key to achieving such a body? The biggest mistake people with this body type make is not feeling hungry initially. That's why many claim that no matter what they eat, their bodies don't change. But what's the real truth? I'll explain in detail what you should eat. So watch the video till the end. What should you eat to gain weight? Today, I'll discuss 15 foods that can help you gain weight quickly. I'll also cover why you might be struggling to gain weight. First, grab a pen and jot down the 15 foods I'll mention. Just remember to pick any 5 of these 15 foods to eat every day, so you can gain weight quickly and become fat. Let's start with the first food, butter. Butter is high in fat, which helps you gain weight quickly. Consuming butter aids in rapid weight gain. The second food is chicken. Eating chicken is a quick way to gain weight because it contains good quality fat. The high quality protein in chicken also helps you gain weight quickly. The third food is cheese. Eating cheese can also increase your weight quickly. Pairing cheese with any meal, especially with bread for breakfast, accelerates weight gain. Next is the potato. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates, making them excellent for weight gain. Simply boil 2 to 3 potatoes, add salt, and eat them. You'll start gaining weight quickly. Our next food is ghee. Remember, ghee alone won't increase your weight, but mixing it with high carbohydrate foods like potatoes, bread, or rice turns it into a high-calorie food that promotes weight gain. The following food is bananas. Bananas are great for weight gain. Eating 5 to 6 bananas a day will help you gain weight because they are rich in carbohydrates. Next is cheese again. Cheese contains fat and protein, both of which help you gain weight quickly. I mentioned earlier that you should eat any 5 of these foods daily. Now let's talk about eggs. Eggs are rich in top-quality protein, which aids in weight gain. The next food is milk. Milk provides all the necessary nutrients and minerals, making it one of the best foods for weight gain. Drinking 250-500 grams of high-quality milk daily will help you gain weight quickly. Next is oats. Eating oats for breakfast will not only help you gain weight, but also improve your diet and digestive power. Oats offer multiple benefits for muscle gain. Let's move on to sweet potatoes or red potatoes. Consuming these will help you gain weight quickly, as they provide more carbohydrates and calories than regular potatoes. The last food is yogurt. Eating yogurt daily, around 15 to 100 grams, will also help you gain weight. Take note of all the foods I mentioned. By choosing any 5 foods from this list and eating them daily, you will gain weight quickly. Many people have a high metabolism, which means their bodies burn calories quickly and can't absorb nutrients effectively. To balance your metabolism, start eating any 5 of these foods. Balancing metabolism is crucial for weight gain. Another factor to consider is your activity level. Maintain a regular sleep schedule, go to bed early, wake up early, and don't skip breakfast. Ensure your body gets enough sleep, rest, and the right food to help increase your weight. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel.